At Forever Labs, we've partnered with leading orthopedic and regenerative medicine providers to offer something revolutionary: the ability to bank your youngest, healthiest stem cells for future use. If you're seeing a specialist, you already understand how injuries can impact your active lifestyle, but your body's repair capabilities decline as you age. Your stem cells are your body's master repair cells. When we're young, they're incredibly potent. As we age, they lose the regenerative power. That's why timing matters. Multiple clinical trials have shown the success of using your own stem cells for therapeutic applications, including tissue repair, regenerative medicine, and cell-based therapies for various medical conditions. Some of the most promising are heart disease, stroke, arthritis, neurological disorders, and hundreds of others. Through our partnership with your provider, we can safely collect and preserve your stem cells now while you're healthy, keeping them viable for decades. You can work with your doctor to determine the best time to bank these cells. If you already have a regenerative procedure in place, we simply collect additional cells to set aside for future use without any extra effort required. Or you can choose to schedule it as a separate appointment during a time that works best for you. We handle the specialized processing and storage while your clinic maintains the relationship you trust. Whether you're an athlete, weekend warrior, or planning for healthy aging, stem cell banking is an investment for staying active. When you face future injury or arthritis, your preserved stem cells could potentially be used for treatment. No compatibility concerns. Just your body's healing power preserved at its peak. We specifically partnered with your provider because they share our commitment to innovative, personalized medicine. Together, we're offering you the chance to invest in your future in health and longevity. Ask your doctor about Forever Labs stem cell banking or contact us directly. These cells you preserve today could keep you active tomorrow.